Today, I will show you how you can earn $500 just to draw lines for free. You can possibly earn hundreds of dollars just by doing less work. This process is also repeatable for an almost infinite number of times. The registration process is simple, it's completely free, and it's open to people from all over the world. And if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll show you a bonus strategy that will earn you an extra $200 per day on semi-autopilot, all for free. The procedure is simple to follow, but only if you pay attention and follow along closely. So make sure you pay attention to the entire video so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip a part, because if you miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired results. Before we get started with today's video, if this is your first visit to this channel, welcome! We upload videos on how to make money online on this channel, so that you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to be a part of our making money journey, and hit the notification bell next to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Let's get right into the video without further ado. This is a brand new strategy, and I doubt that anyone has had their hands in this. In addition, this is also a tried and tested strategy, which is an assurance for you to try this. So I'll show you how to draw simple lines and make money every day without having to sell anything, without having to create anything, without doing affiliate marketing, and without having any social media followers. All you have to do is sign up on a few websites. The first is flaticon.com. Flaticon is a marketplace where over 3 million icons of different categories are available for the users to download and use. So there are over 3 million icons, which means that many designers have uploaded icons and made money. If they wouldn't have made money, they wouldn't have uploaded this many icons, right? But don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer to make money on this website, because there's a section where you can make money by drawing simple lines for free. It's quite simple. You don't need to create anything. You don't need any graphic design skills. You don't need any prior experience. Therefore, you can do it too. Flaticon now has over 12 million monthly visitors and over 7 million users, which means you'll get almost immediate exposure. And you'll make money by uploading different icons on this website. You'll be paid whenever someone downloads them. You don't even have to do much. All you have to do is upload the icons, and you can forget about it once more. You can just come back in a month or two to collect your earnings. Since this is a relatively new feature, there is less competition now. So now is the time to take advantage of it. You can easily get started as a complete beginner and make money. To get started, go to flaticon.com and create a free contributor account by clicking here. After that, you'll be taken to the next page, where you have to click the green Join Now button right here. And that will take you to the sign up page, where you can create an account by entering a username, email address, and password, or you can connect with your Google, Facebook, or Twitter account, which is obviously easier and faster. Then, instead of having to fill out all of those details, which can take time and be tedious, an absolutely free account will be created for you. Now you can just accept their terms and conditions. After accepting, you'll click this button to go to the next page, where you have to fill out more information about yourself. You can add your social media accounts, your professional portfolio, and other information you want. If you don't want to do so, simply fill out the required fields and enter your name and country. So you'll need to find your country right here, and as you can see, they accept people from all over the world, as evidenced by the fact that all of these countries are listed. After you've chosen your country, simply click the next button here. So that will take you to the next page, where everything has been prepared for you. They now recommend that you read their creator's handbook, which you can do so by pressing the green button on the left. You can either read their handbook to learn more about how this works, or you can simply go to their website and start uploading different icons to begin earning money right away. That's what we'll do, because I'm going to show you another website where we can draw lines, then come back here and upload them to make money. That's all there is to it. So the next step is you need to go to iconfinder.com, which is a different website. So go to iconfinder.com, and don't worry, you don't need to purchase any plans. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. After scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the website, you'll find a kind of hidden section labeled as Icon Editor. So click on the Icon Editor, which will take you to this page where you can learn more about how the Icon Editor works. It is a free and cloud-based editor, which means that you don't have to install anything on your computer. You can also watch a demo and a free training on their website that will show you how to design those icons. If you believe the icons should be professionally designed, take a look at these, for example. These are all of the simple icons on the website that are bringing in hundreds of dollars every day. Hundreds of dollars, and are extremely simple to create. So once you launch the icon editor, you will land on this page where you can play around with the different tools on your left-hand side, such as this Align tool right here, and this Draw Align tool right here. You can customize it by changing to the colors you prefer on the left-hand side. You can make it any color you want. You can simply hit OK and then select the stroke width on the right-hand side. Also, you can make it bigger, smaller, fully customize it, and experiment with different designs. Now, all that remains for you to do is finish drawing 20 different icons, because the more icons you make, the more money you can make. After finishing the icons, all you have to do now is click on the download button in the right-hand corner, and then click on the vector to download them to your computer and place them in one folder. Once you have 20 different icons created, you will return to flaticon.com. Simply go to the dashboard and click on Upload Files and upload those 20 different icons. And once you've done that, you can close your laptop, because you'll be earning money on semi-autopilot. You will begin to make money once people begin to download them. So that's how you can make money online, simply by drawing lines. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll show you a bonus strategy for making more than $200 per day with this website. And here's how you can go about doing it. It's nothing like what we're doing now, but it's still a good way to earn money online. With flaticon.com, you can earn money in a different way. To begin, go to flaticon.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you see this button under the Apps section that says Pattern Generator. So if you click on Patterns Generator, you'll be taken to this page where you can create various patterns using free icons from flaticon.com. Instead of doing this manually, you can simply press the Random Pattern button right here, which will generate a random pattern for you, which you can use for free. You can also customize it by changing all of the icons. You can move them around, make them smaller or larger, turn them around, upside down, and play with them. If you don't like this pattern, simply click Random Pattern again and again until you find something that is both interesting and attractive. After you've found a pattern you like, you can download it by clicking the Download button in the left-hand corner. Then, the pattern will be downloaded to your computer for free. But how do you make money with it? Well, you can go to Fiverr.com, a freelancing website, and go to Graphics and Design, where you can click on Pattern Design, which is a brand new category that they added recently, indicating that now is a great time to start doing this. You can see that people are already making hundreds of dollars by creating those patterns. For example, this person is charging $150 for this pattern and has already sold 3 times, implying that they have already made over $400 just from this pattern. This person is selling it for $20 and they've already made 7 sales and so on. People are doing this every day because it's proven to make money. So that's another way to make a decent amount of money while you wait for more downloads for the icons you've already created. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. Also, if you want to watch more new ways to make money online like a boss, make sure you check out our other videos too.